What happened? Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are back with the BMW, and yes, the reason why I'm taking this thing out and reviving it, because on the 2nd December I'm going to take this thing with me, so I need to do couple changes on this project. And the main thing is that I'm thinking to put this muffler over here instead of this muffler, homemade muffler. The reason why I'm changing it, because the muffler, it just catches sand. As you can see, it just catches sand and does not leave. So I need to change it to this, which should look pretty good on this over here. And also the plus point is that it's going to make a better sound. We'll see that later on. So, and also I hope I don't have to clean up the carburetor, because cleaning up the carburetor means it's a hell lot of headache. I hope it will be fine. We'll just see. And yes, other than that, everything is perfect on this project, like nothing else. Yeah, I have tested the brake over here. It's not working, so I need to check the rear brake, because the rear brake isn't working. The front brake is working perfect. And yes, I need to change the filter of this, and even need to change the oil and get it ready for the 2nd December. Alright guys, so I'm going to use this silver tape, because it can hold up the heat, I think so, to get this thing a little bit thicker, so that muffler could just slide in and out. Alright guys, so you can see the tires of the BMW. It is huge tires compared to these tires. These are very huge tires. So on the other side the same thing, and the rest 2 tires needs to be fitted or on the back, but there is an issue with the rim. Like, these are way bigger bolt size, different bolt size than these. As you can see, when I was out at the dunes, I just lost the valve, and temporarily I got it, this thing, the bolt, just tied it over there with the o-ring, some sort of like temporary. This was done, so I need to get this rim out and fit those tires on over here.
पार्ट है, वीडियो बनाओ, सीन है इधर, सीन है
इधर का सीन है।
नहीं निकलेगा, खड्डे में उतर गया ना, नहीं निकलेगा, मुश्किल है, कोई बाइक नहीं निकल के आएगा जब तक। नहीं
थोड़ा आगे पीछे, इधर आओ, इधर इस तरफ लाओ यासिन। इधर थोड़ा।
Oh my God, really? छोड़ दो, निकलेगा।
इधर निकलेगा, इधर लाओ, इधर।
Will it come out?
चढ़ेगा नहीं चढ़ेगा, इतना छोटा बड़ा चढ़ाई है।
क्या कर रहा है यार ऐसा कैच नहीं जा, कैच जाएगा यार, कैच